Good morning, guys. It's been quite a day today, but surprisingly, I feel relaxed today. The moment I step out of my room, it's really hot. So, ngayon parang sinasamba natin yung aircon, no? So, yeah. So, the whole morning, we kicked off our day with a lengthy no class. It had my brain working overtime, but it's part of the journey, right? So I was the first to arrive at the faculty room, and the whole afternoon we had our STS class, and it was the last session for this semester. So yay, we're done for this semester.
Yes!
For science, technology, and society. And I
Baon
feel
na
like I just spent
baon!
the whole afternoon with the faculty checking
Galing!
papers and lots of papers
Surado, galing!
from different
Idol.
courses that I'm teaching. But on the background, we are watching live, no, not live, the game of volleyball, where one of my students, Miss Murado, was playing very, very excellently,
Ayan.
as in super
Ay, wala
galing.
pala.
So, even though they lost the game to NU, I'm still proud of you, Miss Horado. Ayan. This is unforgettable. Nakipaglaro ako kay Miss Horado dito during one of our after the physics class, I think last year. So we are here now at the department. Some students are doing their research, I think. So, eto mga students, nagtitisis. Ano mga ginagawa niyo? You are?
Thesis, third year applied physics students.
Anong research topic?
About the bilinear biquadratic model.
Diyos ko, no. Hindi, kaya pa. Quadratic model. About?
Quantum information.
Quantum information. Quantum mechanics pala. Theoretical physics, no? How is it going?
May papolish pa. Usually, ang mga
Is it simulation?
numerical methods, simulations. Yes.
Simulation, no? Okay. How about you, sir?
Hi, sir.
Poging. Charot. Binola, eh, no?
Hi, sir. Third year then, BS Applied Physics. Ayun, I'm working on the open Hubbard model. So,
Gosh. Quantum mechanics din.
so ano siya, more of an lattice system. So, I'm
so-
checking yung sa EM fields, how they affect other quantum properties.
Okay, how about you, sir? Anong third year, no?
Yes.
Anong research project natin?
I'm working on simulation po, in gravitational phenomenon using the Sachdev-Yekitaev optical lattices.
Ayan, so manusblit kayo sa mga audience.
In relationship
So, ito ang
sa
kanilang-
quantum gravity.
At sino to? Lord Voldemort.
They
Anyway,
are my Death Eaters.
ano masasabi niyo, sir? Mga galing ba to?
Of course, ako nagturo sa kanila eh.
Yes, ganun eh. Parang, nasan yung mga advisors ko? Hindi. Gusto yata nila, naka-zoom eh. Ayun. Eh, mahirap tuloy mahirap eh. Kasi ako dati talaga face-to-face talaga ako mag-advise eh. Isa Saturday, Sunday. Pero ngayon, ang hirap kasi nga. Anyway, so ayan, yan lang yung vlog ko today. The life of third year BS Applied Physics students. Good luck guys ha, good luck, magbutihan nyo. That's part of the process of being a scientist, being a physicist. You have to sacrifice sometimes your Saturday. Ayan. For the future. Ayan. Isang ghost din naman dyan. Ghost! Ghost! Sana manalo si Horado ngayon. Ang student ko naglalaro.
Ongoing.
Ayan, ongoing. O, pero itong tumata pa, 21-21. So, ayan, say, bye-bye na. Bye-bye sa akin.
Thank you.
Pauwi na. Time to go home na. So they're selling UST souvenirs t-shirt. Tama. 350 lahat, sir?
Yes, bro.
Okay. Let me see. Ito pa, isang ano lang, design. Ito. Dinner time at Ate Eva's. Finally, they now have spoon for indecent pictures. This shrimp dish is quite really good. It's a little sweet, but the spiciness is just enough. That's why I have extra rice. And so while eating as a law student, I usually study. So in the background, I'm learning with my headphones, so I'm just listening audio or sometimes read aloud, or in this case, bar review video of Dean Divina. I arrived home very sweaty before and after. And that's it for today's vlog. Bye-bye. Cheers.